Ready to ditch the coding chaos and unlock a smoother workflow? In this video, we'll show you how to connect your GitHub account to Visual Studio Code, making repository access, committing changes, and collaborating easier than ever before. Let's dive right in. First, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view. You can usually find this icon on the activity bar on the left-hand side. It looks like a square made up of smaller squares. In the search bar, type in GitHub. Look for the extension name GitHub Pull Requests and Issues. It's usually the top result and made by GitHub. Click on the Install button. Wait for the extension to finish installing. It shouldn't take too long. Next, go to the Source Control view. Also on the activity bar, it looks like a branch and tree. You should see a sign into GitHub button. Click on it. Visual Studio Code will ask you to authenticate with GitHub. A prompt will appear asking if you want to sign in using your browser. Click Allow. Your web browser will open and redirect you to the GitHub website. You'll be asked to authorize Visual Studio Code to access your GitHub account. Review the permissions carefully, then click the Authorize button. Once authorized, go back to Visual Studio Code. You should now see your GitHub account connected and your repositories accessible within the source control view. Now you can clone, commit, poach, and pull directly from VS Code. And that's it. You've successfully connected your GitHub account to Visual Studio Code. Enjoy the streamlined workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.